Hey friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up your auto replies, or let's say out of office messages in your Gmail account. Now this is pretty easy, but there's a few steps that you need to follow. So be with me and stick around so that you can learn how to do this very easily. So guys, once you're on Google, you want to ensure that you log into your Gmail account, and then from here you want to go into your Gmail. Now, to do this, there's a few steps as I mentioned. You need to first go to settings here. So this gear on the upper right hand side, click on that and click on all settings or see all settings. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to enable the templates, because you need to have templates in order to set up your out of office message, right? So click on advanced here at the top, and then you will see templates. By default, it is disabled, but you can simply enable that and click on save changes. Now your page is going to reload quickly, and from here you need to create the message. So go ahead and click on compose, and you want to compose your message. So I have a little template here, and it's out of office message. So it says out of office until, you can put the date. So let's say today is the 12th. So I'm going to say I'm out of office until the 7th of the 20th, 2024, right? Let's put it like that. Let's say that's when I'll be back. And for urgent matters, please contact my colleague. And I will just use an example, and I will just put Andrew Small, right? Even though my name is little, but let's put it like that. Let's put it Andrew Small. Let's say that's the person, right? And email address, we can put the email address of that person. For example, the email address can be a.small@gmail.com. For example, right? So this is the email address that you need to contact, and yeah, we can just basically put best regards, and I will put Andrew, for example. So let's say this is the email address, this is the out of office message. You want to also add the subject as well, so you can write OOO or out of office. You can put it like that. Reply, yeah, you can leave it like that, right? Recipient, you will leave it as is, to fill that in. Now once you have this out of office message set, now you need to save it, and that's why you need to enable the template. So you have this ready, you need to click three dots on the lower right hand side for more options, and here you will now have the template. So from here, just simply click on save draft template, save as a new template, and you can give it as out of office and just simple click save. You can name it whatever you want. Now that the template is saved, you can simply go ahead and click this off because that is saved. And from here, the next step is to create a filter, right? So basically, you want to target some keywords or whatever that is that you need to target, so that whenever you receive those messages or emails, that can trigger the out of office message, right? So click on templates on the upper right hand side to your search here. As you can see, this is the search mail, but there is a show more here, or show search options. You can click on that, and from here this will take you where you can create filters. So you can put, if you want to do it for a specific email address, you can do that, or you can do, for example, two, or you can use a subject, right? So let's say we are going to target the subject. So if someone use, for example, help desk, if you're running like a help desk or support, we can do that. Or you can target, for example, other specific keyword or whatever it is you want to target, right? And let's say we can use, for example, support. So we are targeting the keyword support. Now once you do that, you can simply go ahead. As you can see here, there's additional things that you can filter around: size, date, whatever, search, all mail, etc. You can do that, but for now we'll leave it as is and just click create. Now once I click create filter, it opens up this new window here, or let's say the next step, that we need to somehow choose our template, and this is where the template comes in. So where you find the option that says send template, you want to choose a template, and from here you will find the out of office message or template that we created, and all we have to do is just select that, and then all we have to do is just simply go ahead and click on create. Now once we click on create, now whosoever will send us an email regarding help desk, or with the subject help desk, or whenever there is a keyword for support or something like that, then this will trigger that out of office message until the particular time. Now, as I showed you before within the template, is that you can also manage and set specific time. So if you click on filter here again, you will see that you have the date within. So you can always go ahead and you can modify the date. You can set the date here. As you can see, you have the calendar. You can basically set the date for when you want this to work. And of course, you can also go ahead and change that manually or turn that off manually if you so desire. So guys, this is how you can easily go ahead and set up a auto reply on your Gmail. Now I showed you an example of how to do this for out of office, but this is not the only way how to set up out of office. This is just how to set up an auto reply by creating a template. Now if you want to set up an out of office on your entire Gmail account, all you have to do is click the gear on the upper right hand side for your settings. Click and see all settings there, and from here under general, scroll all the way down to the bottom to where you find vacation responder, and you want to turn this on. So you can simply turn on the vacation responder here, and you can set the date from the first date to the last date. You can fill in the message that you want and simply click on save. Right, so you can also enable this box that says only send or respond to people in my contacts. So this will set up your out of office on your entire Gmail account. But if you're running like a service and you want to target some keywords and you want to have a specific template that you will send out if a particular keyword or subject is used, then using a template and setting a filter is the best way how to do it. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.